Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, the weekly lifestyle show about Las Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our TV show wherever you are. And this, of course, is Carlos. He's all dressed up today. Why? Because we're at Caesar's Palace, and in this video, we're gonna show you all of the changes that have happened here recently. There's a lot to cover, so stay tuned. So before we get into what it looks like now, let's take a look, for all of you that didn't see it before, at what it did look like. All of the construction equipment, as you can see here, took up the entire valet area. That area was completely shut down as they were remodeling everything. Really, they touched every part of this area here. They had these walkways set up if you wanted to walk past the valet area to the other side. Really busy with construction. Now inside, because they were redoing the casino pit area where all the table games are, and that valet entrance, there were curtains everywhere. They changed games around. They really had to shift the way people move through the property so that they could keep the cash register ringing, right? People still want to come to Vegas, still put up with the construction. Just get me to my favorite slot machine. So they made do. And you know what? They did a pretty good job at making sure that everybody knew how to get from point A to point B, depending on where they were trying to go. All right, so here it is. As you can see, all of the equipment is gone. The taxis are back in line. The valet area is open for business, and it is absolutely beautiful. Let's take a walk inside. So as you can see, obviously it's beautiful. They added a brand new bar to this area. The lobby bar, the original lobby bar, has reopened, but again, they did add a new bar. It's so much brighter in here. They put up new chandeliers, new paint, new roofing or the ceiling. I mean, it is just absolutely amazing. They have floor-to-ceiling doors, glass doors right at the entrance there, which just lets in so much natural light. It's absolutely beautiful. And Brioche, which a lot of people love, that was actually relocated during the remodel, is back at home in its original location. Now, with this being open, it's really opened up the entire registration area. And as you can see here, it's much less crowded than what it was, and it's much brighter. Now a change here at registration, if you were Diamond and up, you would have checked in right here. This check-in is actually now for Diamond. This is over by Starbucks. The original Diamond and above is only 7 stars. Now during the construction, to help alleviate the congestion in the registration area, they had this self-check-in area by self-parking. That is now gone. Machines are back and it's completely back to normal. So this self-check-in is gone. So now all of your check-in is going to be either in the main lobby area at the main counter or the express check-in, as well as Diamond and 7 stars. Now, our favorite place for happy hour, Trevi, something you should know, their happy hour used to end at 6. It now ends at 5. It's only a 2-hour window from 3 to 5, and you have to be at the bar or the high top tables right near the bar area. Now, I know a lot of you love seersucker. You may or may not know that it's gone. There's a new place coming in that's going to be opening winter 2022, so in a couple months, and it's called Stanton Social. So something new, and that's just Vegas, right? Every few years, you're going to have something new coming in. Now, another new addition coming to Caesar's Palace is Dominique Ansel's restaurant. This is going to be a bakery. This guy originally created the cronut. Some people love it, some people hate it. Whatever your thoughts are, you can find him now at Caesar's Palace. This is coming soon. Now, if you're wondering where this new restaurant's going to be, it's actually taking the space of the entire rewards area. Rewards has been relocated next to the box office for the Coliseum. So the old Rewards area is where the new bakery's going in, and the Rewards area now is across the way, right next to the box office there. Now, as you may or may not know, Rao is gone. That's the restaurant that was over by the Bacchanal Buffet. Gone. It's been gone for a while, and we've been waiting to see what's coming in here. Now, word on the street is that there definitely is a brand new steakhouse coming to Caesar's Palace. Peter Luger New York Steakhouse is coming to Caesar's. Now, in walking the property, Rao is really the only place that we could see that they can go. Now, Bacchanal is obviously still here. You can see it. You see all these little kiosks. That's important. It is now reservations only, but it's still busy, still expensive, and still delicious and worth every penny. Lastly, there's still nothing happening at Cleopatra's Barge. This place has been empty for so long. I don't know what's going in there. Now, as for the pool, we were just there. The temperature was mid-90s, beautiful pool weather, but half of the pools are closed at Caesars. They only had 3 open: the blackjack pool, the big center pool, and the pool by the bathrooms to the left of the blackjack tables as you're looking at this right now. So if you're coming here in October, you better hurry up and check the status of the pools at the property that you're going to. Now, as far as the slot machines, this is a theme across Vegas. You guys that come here regularly, you know that they're constantly moving machines all over the place. It's like a scavenger hunt. No difference here at Caesars on our last visit. They've got rid of some of our favorite machines, added new machines, moved machines. So get ready for a scavenger hunt when you come back to Caesar's Palace. Now, as you can see here, they're still finishing up some painting, a couple of things here and there, but Nothing major when you guys come back. All right, guys, well, that's it. Let us know, what do you think about everything that's changed here at Caesar's Palace? Now, mind you, this is fall 2022. And in 2 weeks, it might be different. Something else might change because it's Vegas. Anyway, comment below, like, subscribe. Let us know what you guys think. "24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in a city that never sleeps, Ninth Island Connection will take you there. You won't want to miss a beat as we give you a sneak peek inside the biggest, best, and most outrageous hotspots, both on and off the strip. Be sure to tune in to Ninth Island Connection with Sebastian Rodriguez every week. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection."